Hi there, welcome to a short edition of Life Tuesday. Today was an okay day, I guess. You ever have those days where you're just a teeny bit crabby? Today was mine. For no particular reason, just a little crabby. At any rate, that happens. We just gotta shrug and move on and not let it get the best of us. Last week, kind of disappointing with all the news that we got all on Friday, and we just gotta keep moving forward. One of the things I'd like to share with you is something that one of my Casella-isms, something that little tips I've learned along the way that I think are good. And the one I want to share with you today is going to be willing to laugh at yourself. That is important because everybody else is laughing at you. You might as well join in. Kind of kidding. But anyway, this is a picture of me water skiing a number of years ago, and a lot of cool splash there, as you can see, and some amazing definition in my deltoids. But what you'll see is the 2.8 milliseconds that I skied on one ski. What happened actually, I was having fun skiing, and I have not water skied that much in my life. My friend was pulling me, and I let that little tip of my ski go in. And boy, I did the hugest face plant after this you would ever want to see. I had water up my nose and everything, but it was really fun. And sometimes you do something like that, and everybody laughs, and I laughed as well, and I still laugh later. But sometimes we let our nervousness get in the way of actually doing something because we don't want to make a mistake or we don't want to look silly. But in reality, sometimes you just got to be willing to laugh at yourself to be able to have fun. And even like a day like today where I maybe took life a little too seriously and was cranky, I just had to laugh at myself. Put on a song and danced around the house when nobody was looking, and it was kind of fun. So you got to be willing to laugh at yourself and have a good time. So I hope that you can think about that, and in the next week here, try to find something to make yourself laugh at yourself. Don't take yourself too seriously. Hope you're doing well. Be nice, make friends, wear your seatbelt, even in the back. Or nowadays, I guess all I can say is be positive and wash your hands. Have a good one.